This short video has two proofs on proving lines parallel. So my suggestion to you is that you hit pause right now and look over the given information and see if you can write a two-column proof. Let's go over it together and see how you did. Obviously, your first statement is going to be your given information. So angle 1 is supplementary to angle 3. And our reason there would be given. And now when we look at the picture, you can see that angle 1 is also supplementary to angle 2 because of the linear pair postulate. They are a linear pair. If angle 1 is supplementary to 3 and angle 1 is supplementary to 2, if it's supplementary to both of them, then they must be congruent to each other. And that is the congruent supplements theorem. If angle 2 and angle 3 are congruent, then the lines must be parallel. So M is parallel to N because angle 2 and angle 3 are corresponding angles. So that would be the corresponding angles converse. If corresponding angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. The second proof in this video is pictured here. Again, please hit pause and then come back and see if you agree. All right, let's see how we did on this one. Again, it's a two-column proof, so we're going to put our statements on the left and our reasons on the right. And most of the time, it's really a good idea to get your given down first. So angle 1 is congruent to angle 2, and angle 3 is congruent to angle 4, and my reason is given. And now I'm going to look at the picture and see if I can get some more information from the picture. As I look at this, if I see angle 1 is congruent to angle 2, and then I see angle 3 is congruent to angle 4, so what I notice on the picture is that angle 2 is congruent to angle 3 because they are vertical angles, and vertical angles are congruent. So that's my reason. It's a theorem. It's the vertical angle theorem. So if 1 is congruent to 2, and 2 is congruent to 3, and 3 is congruent to 4, then I can say 1 is congruent to 4. And that would be the transitive property. If 1 and 4 are congruent, if this angle and this angle are congruent, then I'm trying to prove this line and this line are parallel. So I'm drawing in this transversal. So when I look at the red lines, the two lines that I'm trying to prove are parallel, and the two angles that I know are congruent in my transversal down the middle there, I can say, yep, M is parallel to N. These angles are alternate interior angles, so it's the alternate interior angle converse, and I've proven the lines are parallel.